News tonight from death row to freedom. Tonight, only on WLWT, you're going to hear from Elwood Jones, who has spent 30 years waiting on this day.
Yeah, so all charges dropped today against the man once convicted of murder. Prosecutor Connie Pillich says Jones isn't the killer and no evidence showed that he ever was. WLWT News Live's Curtis Fuller has covered this case over the years. He joins us live in studio now with today's major developments. Hi there, Curtis.
Hi there, Mike and Sharia. A major development in this case. Prosecutor Connie Pillich just said they got it wrong. And she dismissed this case with prejudice. All charges, as you said, wiped away forever in the interest of justice. I talked to Elwood Jones just a short time ago about the decision.
I'm just thankful.
Words from a man officially set free after spending nearly 30 years on death row and the past 3 years in limbo, waiting for the truth.
I'm blessed in a way that I can't even begin to say. All I can do is like I've been doing. I have always believed in law and order. If you get caught, pay the price. But when you lie and cheat and put someone in jail for something they didn't do, then you're not following the rules. And that bothers me more than anything.
In 1996, Jones was convicted of murdering Rhoda Nathan in a Blue Ash hotel. In 2022, Judge Wendy Cross overturned the conviction and granted him a new trial, saying the state withheld critical evidence, thousands of pages of documents. She also excluded any unavailable witness testimony, including from a key witness, Officer Michael Bray, who has since died.
I came to the conclusion that there's a lack of evidence, both physical and forensic, tying Mr. Jones to the murder. This office, under my leadership, does not cheat in order to score a win.
When I got to call him and tell him that, he said, "What's going on?" I said, "I've been waiting 30 years to tell you this." And he started to cry, and I started to cry. And I just can't even describe what that emotion feels like.
I take it as a victory, and I can live with that.
Connie Pillich also announced the launch of a conviction integrity unit to prevent cases like this ever happening in the future. You know, she was very adamant of saying, we just got this one wrong. And you don't hear that often, that type of transparency. And you also heard her say, look, we don't cheat. We just go after the facts. And what they lead us to, that's what we'll give you.
Curtis, Rhoda Nathan is the woman who was killed way back in the day. Did Connie Pillich speak with her family before this big announcement?
She actually did. She reached out to two sons, and you can imagine. Now they're hearing that the person who was in jail and convicted of killing their mom is not the person. So now they have to go back to square one of searching now for whoever that killer is. And so it's sad for them. And Elwood Jones has always acknowledged that the pain is on both sides of this fence, for him and for this family. Yeah.
Okay, we should also mention, I reached out to Joe Dieters today. He was the prosecutor at the time. He, I'm told, is possibly going to be making a statement or talking with us about this case and what he thinks about today's findings sometime next week. If that happens, of course, we'll bring it to you.
All right, Curtis, thank you so much.
Also want to